birds are significantly affected by the climate crisis, as their populations and habitats face increasing threats from rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and habitat loss. Climate change disrupts migratory patterns, altering the timing of seasonal breeding and foraging, which can lead to mismatches between food availability and the needs of young birds. Additionally, shifting climatic conditions can degrade or destroy vital habitats such as wetlands, forests, and grasslands, leading to declining bird species that rely on these ecosystems. Invasive species exacerbated by climate change further threaten local bird populations by competing for resources and disrupting ecological balances. Moreover, extreme weather events, including hurricanes and droughts, can cause immediate and catastrophic impacts, decimating entire populations in affected areas. As bioindicators, the decline of bird species serves as a warning signal highlighting the broader implications of the climate crisis on biodiversity and ecosystem health, underscoring the urgent need for comprehensive conservation and climate mitigation strategies.